Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe. You guys, I am so excited today. You guys, so today's video is all about this look right here, but I'm going to tell you guys how I came about this look. This look was actually created by Opal TV. If you don't know Opal TV, she is one of my favorite YouTubers. She's Nigerian as well. So a beautiful damsel called Nye Luxury. I hope I'm pronouncing that name very well. Nye Luxury. Babes, please forgive me. She actually mentioned me under Opal's photo and she said I should create this look. So you guys, I took a screenshot of the photo. I took a screenshot of it and I decided to create the look. And thank you so much, Nye Luxury. Thank you, girl, for mentioning me and motivating me to create this look. So please, you guys, don't forget to leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, please, I beg. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? And if you are not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram. And you guys, please don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Yes, you have to turn on the please turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. So that being said, to the tutorial now.
bekenunu obi batanunu ada chetakwanu ndị mmadụ ga-abịakwanu obi mara mma baby nwanyị sara mbada oge rugokwanu mgbe anyị ga-ebikọtanụ ịma na ị ga-egbu mmadụ lee